Let's find the reactions for this simply supported beam. Well, at the pin, we have vertical and horizontal reactions, and at the roller we have only a vertical reaction. Acting on this beam which we took as a free body. Now we can resolve the oblique force into horizontal and vertical components. So using trigonometry, this would be 3 cosine 60 degrees, and the vertical component is 3 sine 60 degrees. And I'll draw the special trig triangle for your reference. Now we can find the horizontal reaction by taking force equilibrium in the horizontal direction. So we have AX minus 3 cosine 60 degrees is equal to 0, and cosine 60 is 1/2 using the special trig triangle. So AX is equal to 3/2, or 1.5 kilonewtons. Now next we'll take moments about either support, because taking a vertical force equilibrium will give us two unknowns. So I'm going to take moments about support A. And counterclockwise moments are positive. So we have reaction By the moment arm, which is 2 meters, and then minus the distributed load, which is 1 kilonewton per meter, multiplied by 1 meter, which gives us the resultant force acting in the middle. And this force has a moment arm of 0.5 meters from the support, and produces a clockwise moment, so it's negative. Now the horizontal component of the oblique force produces a counterclockwise moment about A. So 3 cosine 60 is 3/2, and then multiplied by the moment arm, which is 0.3 meters. And the vertical component produces a clockwise moment about A, and sine 60 degrees is √3/2. And the perpendicular moment arm is 1.5 meters. And that's all equal to 0. And solving this equation for reaction By, you'll obtain 1.97 kilonewtons. And now we can take a sum of forces in the vertical direction, with upwards being positive, to find our reaction AY. So we have AY minus the magnitude of the resultant of this uniformly distributed load, and minus 3 sine 60 degrees, which is 3√3/2, and plus the reaction By, which we just found. And that's all equal to 0. And now we can solve for the reaction AY, and that gives 1.63 kilonewtons. Please subscribe, like and comment to help me reach more students.